not mind my goofy camera, by the way.
Over the years, and obscure objects that can
No
spawn
one
on
cares.
PSP. But who's the best?
Sounds like a you problem.
For the first time to
Whoever this is, his voice is annoying.
30 seconds to complete a challenge. And the dude who did the worst would be up for elimination.
Hold on a minute. You see that Atom guy over there? I actually like him. Because at least I'm smart enough to know, unlike YLCC who only knows how to count from 1 to 10. Let's check what his name is later. His name is actually Lithium. And I gotta check his nationality. He's Albanian? Oh my!
Using the full feature, you guys are
You look like an ugly
Who should go?
I'm Snowball.
I'm
Why does Thor look like something straight out of a horror game? Look at
What does the winner get?
Dream Island Mini Deluxe. 18,000 voters just saw you do that. But